Test runs on these two Cincinnati 012 rise and fall milling machines. What we're going to be looking for is the repeatability both on the x-axis where the table stops just prior to the head coming down, and also the depth of cut, which would be how far the spindle carrier comes down. First we're going to do a few cycles. We're going to try to get the dial indicator to hit 0. That would we zeroed out the indicator, and you can see that this thing the table stops very, very closely when it's in the cycle. All right, now we're going to immediately run another cycle. Let's just do one more with the table position. Now, as we're measuring the side of the part, as the table goes into motion and pulls away from the dial indicator, of course, it goes back to the starting point. And now we're going to check the depth of cut, repeat on that. By the way, this is machine reference 76-1125. This is a 1976 vintage machine. And now we're going to switch to setup. We're going to take these dial indicators and move them to the other machine. 12 milling machine, 12 inches of table travel. We do have the arbor support and overarm. We just had it painted for people who didn't need it, but it is included with the machine. So once again, we'll test how this thing stops on the X travel and the depth of cut on the All right, any other questions? Let us know.